Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the eraser in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So let's open Microsoft Word first. Now in your case, if you already have the document, you can simply open that. Now I'm going to show you first in a table. So let me quickly insert a table. Now, if there are some lines on your table that you want to delete, then we can simply do that. So let's go. Let me quickly increase the size of this first. Okay. So to use the eraser for the table, click on these four arrows. Then this tab will appear at the top, the table layout. Click on that. Then here you will find the eraser. Click on eraser. And then you just need to simply use the eraser for the part that you want to delete. So move the eraser and then place it to the line that you want to delete. And as easy as that, you can erase or use the eraser for the table in your document. Now let's try with another one. Click on insert and blank page. Now let me draw something. So click on draw tab. So if you're drawing something on your document, now let's say for example, I'm going to draw a flower. So if you want to use the eraser for this, you will find this one, eraser. And then you can erase the part where you don't want. If you want to draw something new, then you can use the eraser for that. So that's it. That's how you can easily use the eraser in your Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.